Yahoo! Let's ride! Hold on tight. Whoa, Gator, you're switching sides? I'm the driver now.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jim. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my next group build, which is the drag and drive group build, starting on January 1st it started and ending on December 25th. I think it's a really cool build. It's hosted by KRD Racing. And with that, I'm going to bring you down. I'm going to open up this. My build was going to be the 1970 Chevy Chevelle. And should be an interesting build. I'll bring you down. Alright, here's the kit. It's an AMT. It's the John Wick edition. Alright, first, let's look at the sides. Those are two sets of stripes. I'm going to be using white. I don't know if I'll use these stripes or not. I might just paint them on. Move this over here. Let's take everything out. All right. Let's open the first bag. Second bag. Let's open up the chrome trees. And the one with the body in it. The one with the glass in it, I'll leave in there. Alright, let's take a look. I will not be using the engine that comes with this, or the hood. So it comes with a 454. I guess what it is. Doesn't say. Oh no, it's a 396. As you can see, here's the engine, which I won't be using. Interior seats, I'll be using, well, I may be using these buckets. Probably won't be using the back seat. Here's the dashboard, firewall, exhaust, rear differential, which I won't be using. Got a little more flash on it than I thought it would have. Radiator support. There's the engine and trans. Some exhaust header looks like. Back wheel backs. Here's another set of seats with a console in it. Here's a set of headers. Wow, small tubes. Cow hood. It's nice. Let's take a look at the body. All right, interior tub. Detail's not very good on the sides here. Minimal. Chassis. good exhaust isn't in it. And the body. Body looks like it's got a little more work than I thought it was going to have. Wow, a lot of flash on it. A lot of mold lines. That's not a very nice body, actually. Huh. A little more work than I was hoping for, but that's okay. See what we got on the chrome trees. This must be the stock chrome tree that comes with it. It's got 2 sets of hubcaps. Chrome valve covers, shifter, mirror, front bumper assembly. It's actually pretty nice looking. Rear bumper assembly. This must be the optional wheels for the John Wick. They're actually pretty nice. I won't be using them on this build, but they will definitely be saved. I like them rims. See what kind of tires it comes with. Comes with 4 BF Goodrich TA radials. They're actually pretty nice. White letters. Nice. Won't be used on this build though. But I will save them for later. Let me set them aside. Alright, so you've seen what comes out of the box. For this drag and drive build, I'm going to make a pretty radical, almost pro mod. I've got a back half kit from MCV. I'm sorry, I get them mixed up sometimes. So I'll be back halving the chassis on this. I've got an engine here from MCV. It's a Pat Musi injected big block. Not sure if I'm using this engine or not. I also got this fuel injection system. That's actually pretty nice. That may be used. I'm not sure yet. Here's what I originally got for this. I've got a rear wing or rear spoiler. Make sure it fits. It says it's for AMT. This I got online from Lex's Scale Modeling. He's the only one that I could find that had it, and that fits perfect. As you can see, that will go right there. Just like so. There you go. Fits it on perfect. Also from Lex's. I got this high cow hood. It's actually a pretty nice piece. That fits the body real nice. That'll be nice for what I want to do with it. Both of these came from Lex's. Got them on eBay. Sent them right out. The parts look nice. Then I also got from Resin Rides, also from eBay. This is a Pro Stock HEMI. And I'm pretty sure this is the one I'm going to build for this vehicle. Should be pretty nasty. Tires and wheels. Should have had them out here. Let's see. Going to have 2 sets of tires. One for when it's on the road, and then one for when it's racing. I don't have the tires and wheels out, so that'll have to be when I start working on it. I'll bring them. I'll get them. That's all for the car itself. Like I said, I may use that Pat Mushi, I'm not sure. Then for the drag and drive, you need a trailer. So I also got this online. I am not sure, this is from eBay, but I am not sure who I got it from. It's actually a really nice piece, made nice. The chassis part of it's in black. Of course, this part of it's, like you can see, is in gray. Then it comes with the axle, tires, rims, a jack for the front. The only thing I'm going to have to get or make is a hitch for the car itself. And that's a quick unboxing of my drag and drive build. Should be pretty cool. But I'll be getting started on this tomorrow or today. My other 2 builds are finished. You won't be seeing them for another week probably, but they're finished. And that's all for this one. I'm going to end it here. And take care. Peace. Thanks for all my subscribers. I am now over 700. And I'm really like, wow, it's got me quite amazed. Never thought I'd ever get anywhere near that. I appreciate everybody, and take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Happy modeling. Please keep the hobby alive and going. Take care. Bye-bye. Almost drive me crazy. I gotta get